Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be the fall FabFitFun unboxing. So I'm just going to jump right in. I haven't done anything. I haven't even looked at it yet other than unsealing the tape. That way I didn't have to worry about that. But that's the inside of the box. I don't know if it's really showing up. It's got leaves on it. So, I got the thing to give to one of my friends, which I never use. A Hello Fresh thing, and they just put little ads and stuff in these. Okay, and then the booklet that comes with it, and this clearly was this was a lot of cooking stuff. Because it's got food on the front, and I am an Access member, I think that's what it is, or something. I'll put the actual name of it down below. So I picked all these items out, but I still don't remember what I get half the time, so yeah. So the first thing was an all-purpose packable backpack by Athletic Propulsion Labs. So I think so. Okay, so you can store it like this, and then it unfolds. And it's got that pocket in it. This is the front. So this is the front of it. And this zips shut. And then it's got another zipper here to make it like really big. And it's got a pocket here, and another pocket here, and another zipper pocket on the back. And then when you're done, it's for storage. Just folds back into the like little pack that it was. So this will actually be really cool, and I will actually use this. A lot of stuff lately out of the FabFitFun boxes I haven't been using. I've been gifting it to friends and family. So the second item is after dinner food and drink trivia. It's just a trivia game in this little box, and it's taped shut. And I will put prices for everything on the screen, and then I'll put my final box price at the end. Okay, so this is envelope. Okay, Heineken. I don't know what this is. This might be like a. Yeah, this isn't part of the box, I don't think. Alcohol-free Heineken premium quality. What is this? I think this is fake beer. Okay. Okay, so that's. I think that was a freebie. I do not remember putting that in my box. Okay, so this is from Beyond Yoga. It's just one of those. It's just a scarf. I got one last year. And it's got the pocket on it. I got one in the box, the winter box last year, I believe. And I gave it to because I don't wear scarves, so I'm probably going to gift this. If I don't sell it. It was just the best product in that selection. And stuff like that, I just kind of put back in the plastic because I do have cats that have to get all over it. Okay. So the next thing, the brand is Fry. And they're just bamboo blend boot socks, and they come in gray and black. I hope the colors are showing up. But these will come in handy because especially as it gets colder here. Okay, and then I got a Dove Advanced Care deodorant. I think that was a freebie too. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then this is an Uncommon James wood cheese board, and I'm actually gonna. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it's got Uncommon James on this side of it. This will be cute for little charcuterie boards, I guess. I don't do those things. So, yeah, and the box is in the corner. Okay, so the next thing is, let me find the brand, Golden Rabbit. It's a Dutch oven. I don't have a Dutch oven, and I wanted one, so without buying one, now I have one. That's the best thing about this box. I do get to try stuff that I wouldn't typically try. So this is the actual, it's a small one too though, so it's, I think, yeah, 2.5 quarts. So, but that's the design on it, and it looks really cute. the lid, I guess. I'm just not gonna unwrap it. I'm just gonna put it back in the box. So, my final price will be somewhere on the screen, because there's no prices in the books anymore. I'll have to get on the website and do that. And other than that, that is my FabFitFun unboxing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will do a winter one when I get my winter box. So, other than that, if you have not done so already, hit the red subscribe button down below. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.